if you go up to a stranger and ask for a washroom and start farting like this, not everyone gets angry. There are people, those who are so polite and so helpful, and you will see this in this video. Enjoy.
Probably like a Starbucks or something.
I'm kind of in a very tight spot right now. Where? Excuse me, sir. Do you know where can I get a washroom around here?
What?
Washroom.
Washroom?
Yeah.
In this building right here,
Okay.
you'll find one.
Are you sure this looks like a government building? Like, can I
No,
go
it's
inside?
not, no, you can go in from the side here on University. You'll be able to. You'll see.
No, not in a good spot. I'm in a tight spot right now.
I hear you. You'll be fine if you rush.
I usually go with the Starbucks or
I'm not in a good state.
Tim Hortons. Obviously, no, we're not really from this area.
Oh, okay.
I wish you luck though.
On this street there should be like a cafe or something.
Okay, and I'll get a washroom there?
Yeah, maybe there's something in here. I don't know. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. If I go left, and then?
If you go left and on the street, the first street you come to, there must be something.
Okay.
I'm sure. That's your best bet.
Okay.
I promise you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
May I know your name?
Sam.
Sam, my name is Shinando.
Yeah.
This is just an experiment to see whether you help me or not.
Okay.
My friend is filming right there.
Okay.
Can you see her? Sorry, see him?
Yeah. That's hilarious.
Is that okay if I use it in my social media channel?
Yeah, man, do it.
Thank you. You didn't give any reaction when you heard my farting, so it's... Thank you, sir.